Hello, Believe Magic fans and Believe fans. What's up, and welcome to episode 5. White Noise, great white director James Pat, and great director and great writer Dave Gregson. I know Wikipedia hasn't put the plot up yet. I'm sorry about that, guys, but it was good, fantastic. If you haven't seen the episode, just get out, just go away. I'm joking, I'm not that kind of guy. Yes, top 5. Top number 1, my favourite moment was at the end, well, nearly at the end, when Bo was getting stronger. And defeated Josephine, and it was really good, powerful, and they were trying to hunt down Penny, it was really good, fantastic, brilliant. I can't wait for the next episode. Thinking, which will be next week, we'll review. But they haven't revealed the 8th episode yet. I hope they do more episodes. I hope they do second series. I can't wait for the next episode. Yes, it was really good. I'm not going to do top 5 stuff, but I'm joking. Yes, it was a great episode, great cast in it. Really good. Yeah. I quite liked the cast, how they say, and my favourite moment when the woman who played I don't know, I forgot, I watched the episode but I forgot the name, and said, "Oh, are you your dad?" He's her dad. Yeah, but it is actually her dad, but just probably like that. Yeah, it's really good, fantastic, brilliant episode. I quite liked it. Yeah, it was really good. Yeah, it was really good, fantastic. I loved it really much, and I'm going to give this review 9.5 out of 10. And yeah, I hope you watch this video because I really want to do more reviews of this series. Yes. So see you later, guys, and I will put links below for Believe, the sneak peek of Sinking, and it is really good, the sneak peek. Gotta watch it. And yeah, so subscribe, share, and like. Bye, guys. I just double all 5. Double all 5. Yeah. Bye. Bye. Just bye. Yeah. See ya. Thumbs up for liking this or not.